everyone. So before we formally start our discussion, let's have a quick game. So this game is quite connected to our topic. So now, I prepared some Scrabble words. So I want you to guess what the word is or what is the word. So are you ready? Clap twice if you're ready. Clap thrice if you're very, very ready.
Here is the first Scrabble word. Can you guess what is the correct answer? I'll give you 5 seconds. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. What is your final answer? Very good. The answer is mock-up. So later on, we will know what is this all about. Here is the second Scrabble word. Can you guess what is the correct answer or correct word? I'll give you 5 seconds. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. What is your final answer? Okay, if your final answer is simulations, it is correct. So for the final and last Scrabble word we have here. Can you guess what is the correct answer? I'll give you 5 seconds. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. What is your final answer? If your final answer is virtual reality, you are correct. Thank you for participating, and I hope you enjoyed our mini activity. So now, let's discuss our topic.
A contrived experience is a design or artificial activity made to represent real-life situation. It is used when the real thing is too dangerous, too expensive, or simply not possible. So before we dig into our main topic, let's discuss first what is cone of experience. So we need to discuss or we need to briefly know what is this because this is connected to our main topic. So what is the cone of experience? So the proponent of cone of experience is Edgar Dales. So in here, we can see in the picture that the upper part is abstract. So in here, this is full of text, informations. We tell the students, we give information, and the students or the pupils tend to forget what is the information all about. So that is abstract. It is more on text, symbols, verbal symbols, or visual symbols. So as we can see in the middle part, there is iconic. So this is the iconic part. So we show the students or we show pictures, videos to students, and they will remember it. So that is iconic. In the bottom part or in the lower part, that is what we call enactive. So we involve the students, we involve the pupils, and they will understand what is the thought, what is the discussion all about. So that is enactive. So in inactive part, that is connected to our topic because our topic is all about contrived experience.
Volcanic eruption demonstration.
see in the video, that is one of the example of contrived experience, because it's too possible to go outside just to see a real volcano or a real crater. Therefore, he thinks a different way, which is she did some mock-up volcano. And also, this is not just for, as we can all know that it is inactive. Therefore, we can do this as a performance task to the pupils. So we can group them into 3 or into 4. So they are tasked to do some volcano. Therefore, so that they are involved and they can still understand what is the volcano or how it functions.
So next is Contrived experiences in technology. So Contrived experiences in technology refers to digital created simulation or activities that mimic real-life situation, helping students learn in a safe and controlled environment. So when we say Contrived experiences in technology, it is a tools or digital tools that we can use to practice in real life situation. So these tools help students to feel safe and fun way to without thinking a danger. One of the main example here is the virtual reality. I know some of you are familiar what is virtual reality. So before that, I will show you a video.
Center, you name it. They can also do engineering and math with them. Teachers say the educational experience opens their minds to understanding more about the world.
So as you can see in the video, the kids or the students in Monrovia Elementary School went to outer space. But instead of just reading about places like Mount Everest or space, kids or students in Monrovia can put special glasses and feel like they are actually there. So this is called contrived experiences. So which means a fake but realistic situation made to help people learn better. So using VR or virtual reality makes learning more and real, interesting, so that the kids or the students can feel like they are exploring new places, which helps them to understand things better. They feel like they are at the base of Mount Everest. So these experiences can open their minds to understanding more about the world. So the video says that can use the virtual reality for whatever they are teaching. So another example is the students plays a computer game where they can learn how to cross the street safely. But instead na they put on danger, they practice what to do in real life but on a screen. So it's a safe. So dito it helps student to feel like hindi sila ignorante sa paggamit o hindi sila ignorante sa mga bagay-bagay na hindi pa nila napupuntahan. Dahil nga with the help of virtual reality, pwede silang pumunta or pwede nilang makita the real pictures, not just the pictures but the real object. So that the virtual reality can help the student.
Okay, so the benefits of contrived experience is the use of simulation. Like for example, those students are studying in aviation, they use flight simulators, and also those in medical fields, they use medical simulators like anatomy or the human anatomy, so that the students will involve in their learning. So first, it is safe and cost-effective, allowing learners to practice without real danger or the need of expensive equipment. So it is also easy to repeat. So trainees can practice multiple times until they master the skills. In this way, it helps build both skills and confidence. Okay, so since there is a benefits, then here is the limitation of that contrived experience. So there's also limitations. So simulation cannot fully replace real life experiences since actual situations often bring unpredictable challenges. So therefore, they should be combined with real practices to ensure more effective learning and real-world readiness.
So in conclusion, contrived experiences serves as valuable training methods that allows learners to practice skills in a safe, controlled, and cost-effective environment. However, to ensure true mastery and readiness, they must be reinforced with real-world application where learners can apply their knowledge and adapt to the actual situation.